Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Open the boot and fold back the trunk liner where the number plate lamp sits. Use a flat screwdriver to gently pry the plastic cover or unclip the small retainer. You will feel a soft snap. Once exposed, note bulb type stamped on the base or compare visually to confirm W5W. Make sure to wear gloves so oils don't shorten bulb life, and keep a torch steady in your other hand so you can see the socket clearly. You now remove the lamp assembly. Push the holder slightly inward, turn counterclockwise about 1/4 of a rotation, and withdraw it with the bulb still seated. Once free, grasp the bulb at the base, never the glass, and pull gently. Some Swift lamps need a slight twist to unclip. Fit the new W5W bulb into the holder until it clicks or feels secure, then reinsert the holder into the housing, align the tabs, and turn clockwise until it locks into place. You finish by testing. Turn the key to accessory or press the light test and observe the plate lamp. If it lights, secure the liner and fasteners, ensuring clips are fully engaged to keep moisture out. If it does not light, make sure the bulb is seated, check the connector for corrosion and the fuse for the plate light circuit. Once corrected, double-check the lamp under normal conditions. If a fault persists, replace the socket or consult a professional to avoid electrical.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.